In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use ChatGPT to jumpstart your Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a beginner looking to explore this avenue, these tools can ignite your creativity and give you a solid action plan. So sit back, relax, and let me guide you through the process, starting with opening ChatGPT. First, you'll want to open ChatGPT by navigating to chat.openai.com. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so now. Once you're all set up and logged in, start a new chat. This fresh session ensures that we're working with a clean slate, ready to gather new insights and ideas. Now, we begin our journey by researching affiliate product ideas. If you're interested in Pinterest affiliate marketing for the year 2025, consider asking ChatGPT to give you a list of 10 trending product ideas. Focus on niches like home decor, fashion, fitness, or digital tools. These are popular categories on Pinterest that resonate well with its user base. It's also useful to understand why these products align well with Pinterest and the potential affiliate programs you might join. This foundational research will guide your entire marketing campaign, so take the time to explore different options and considerations. Once you have a solid list of potential products, it's time to dive into creating Pinterest board and pin ideas. Imagine crafting a board strategy for a niche like home decor. You can ask ChatGPT to suggest 5 board names along with 10 pin ideas for each board. Focus on making these titles keyword-rich to maximize visibility in Pinterest searches. Eye-catching and appealing titles are essential to draw in users who are perusing the platform for inspiration and products. Next, we'll focus on writing pin titles and descriptions infused with carefully selected keywords. For example, if you're working within the fitness niche, generate 10 pin titles and descriptions that are SEO-friendly yet natural. Make sure they are persuasive, featuring a compelling call to action, such as "check it out here." This step allows potential buyers to easily discover your pins and encourages them to click through. With the groundwork laid, directing traffic to a blog post or landing page comes next. For this, ask ChatGPT to craft a 500-word blog post on a topic like Top 5 Home Office Essentials in 2025. Keep the content easy to read and include thoughtful product recommendations. The post should naturally conclude with a robust call to action, inviting readers to learn more or make a purchase. Finally, consistency is key, so let's put together a content calendar. Request a 30-day Pinterest content calendar specifically for your affiliate marketing efforts. This calendar should include pin topics, suggested posting frequencies, and the best times to post for maximum reach. Consistency in posting will keep your audience engaged and increase the likelihood of clicks and conversions. And there you have it. By using ChatGPT as your creative partner, you can streamline your Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy, making it both effective and efficient. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!